Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into Google's brand new AI mode. It's not just about getting a list of links anymore. AI mode, powered by Google's advanced AI models like Gemini, aims to understand your question on a deeper level and provide comprehensive conversational answers. Let's dive into it. This is the Google AI mode. Let's click try it now. And you can see ask anything with AI mode, new collections, and turn this experiment on off. Okay, I'm switching on, try AI mode, and look at meet AI mode on Google search. This is the new interface for AI mode. So let's put up a question in general Google about what are the most scenic and challenging hiking trails in Appalachian mountains that are good for experienced hikers, have overnight shelters, and offer stunning fall foliage. Okay, let's see what's that. So this is a standard answer, and plus recently it has an AI overview as well. So these are the search results, traditional search results. Let's go into AI mode and let's ask the same question and see the difference between that. Okay, here we don't have a list of websites and the summary of it. We get a comprehensive answer to the question and plus the reference sites, like 18 sites from where this has been collected. When that you can see all the 18 websites where it got this data from. And see one, two, three, four, and what are the main points as well. So that's one kind of comparison. So let's see how it doesn't just give you a list of links, it actually synthesize information to answer the different part of my question and even prompts me to explore further. So this is kind of conversational. You can still do a conversation with this. Okay, let's ask this. Tell me more about the shelters on the list. Okay, let's see. Searching the web, planning next step. Look at that. Picks up from my previous question about the trial and lists me out the common characteristics of the Appalachian trial shelters along specific trial mention, additional nodes as backup plans. That is kind of stepping towards the conversation. A mode is an experimental and can make mistakes. Okay, that's common nowadays in all the AIs. So let's try to compare something. Okay, let's ask a new question about it. Compare the pros and cons of electric scooter versus electric bikes. So look at the pros and cons of electric bikes and electric scooters from 7 websites. And if we do the same kind of search, that's what we get here. Okay, it's kind of, you can see the I overview what they had implemented. They just went into as an AI mode and they gave even a button to dive deeper in AI mode. If you click that, you can go, and there is another option here. If you see AI mode, that takes you to the AI mode as well. So as of now, it's for the US users. You won't see it if you are in any other country. Let's see the difference between that. This is incredibly useful for making informed decisions. It's like getting a concise comparison table without having to open multiple articles. So let's now ask another question that I'm planning a trip, like just a diverse itinerary. Okay, in this one. So these are the kind of itineraries it's showing up on the general search result. Let's go into AI mode and ask, look at that. So that's my question. Suggest a diverse itinerary that includes historical site, live music venues, and unique local food experiences. So day one, French Quarter immersion. Morning, look at that. Afternoon, history and culture. Evening, music and dinner. Day two, morning, afternoon, dinner. Evening. Day three, food, travel, and fun. That's the proper itinerary of it. This is like having a personal travel planner at your fingertips. Okay, so let's see what else they say. It's having voiceover. That's it. Yeah, that's the new AI mode. Google's AI mode is still evolving, but it's clearly that this is a significant leap forward in how we interact with information online. It offers more initiative, comprehensive, and conversational way to find answers and explore new topics. What do you think about new Google AI? Have you tried it out yet? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more tech explorations. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.